Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, February 6th, 8:30 a.m. Happy trading to everybody. Market just opened up. For those who don't know, I'm a paper money trader doing paper money trades, focusing on Nvidia only. Nvidia currently is at 127. We are already above yesterday's high of 125. On this channel, we focus on the open and break and retest pattern. I'll explain that. The open and break and retest pattern does focus on the first 5 candles of the morning. So we need to let those 5 candles set up, and then we'll go into it. Yes, let's see here. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is Thursday. Look like we're having a little downward momentum right now. Okay, we got our 8:30 candle, 8:31 candle getting ready to be set up as well. Yesterday for Nvidia, Nvidia's again the high was 125 and the low was 120.76. That's important to us as far as our pattern is concerned. We know that if it goes down in a downward momentum today, it can go as low as 120.76. And again, like I said, it's already past yesterday's high, with it being at like 126.29 or 126.92. Let's see, 126. Okay, so back in January, on the 29th of January, it was around these numbers. I want to see where it started off around that. Okay, so what was this? That was the open. Last time it opened. Okay, so it has a possibility, if it goes in the upward momentum today, it can go up to like 128. Okay, so let's see, we got 1, 2, 3. We got 3 of our candles set up so far. We are getting closer, guys, to Super Bowl Sunday. Really not interested in any of the teams, but if I had to pick a team to see win, I would like to see the Eagles win, just because of Jalen Hurts. I followed his career in college, so I'd like to see the young man get his for the first time. 1, 2, 3. So we're waiting for 2 more candles to set up. Said this yesterday as well. If you're in the market to get into Nvidia, this is not a bad price. A couple of days ago, it was down to like 112, 116. That was a great opportunity to jump in if you wanted to invest in Nvidia. But it'll go back down to those numbers again, so don't worry. Even here is okay if you want to grab a bag or something like that, because it still has the possibility to go up to 140, 145, 148. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 candles set up. I think I'm going to go ahead and set up, because we're looking for the high and the low of the first 5 candles. And I'm going to believe, just because I've been doing this for a minute, that I can go ahead and mark this first candle high at 127.50. So I'll mark that real quick. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our 5th candle is forming right now. I noticed that this is bouncing off this 126.89. 126.89 was, I feel like that was 126.89. That was the high of on January 29th. You see how it's bouncing off that trend line? I didn't have this mark for today. It just so happened I just didn't delete this line. But I'm going to leave it up because that may be an opportunity for something else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This candle is almost finished forming. and then I'll go into details about the opening break once it forms. Okay, so I can go ahead and mark this fifth candle as the low at 126.23. I'll go ahead and mark that now. Awesome. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 candles. We're looking for the high and low. The high of those 5 candles is, well, the high is 127.50, which we have marked here. The low is here at 126.23. We have marked here. We're looking for either upward or momentum or downward momentum. I'm going to focus on the downward since that's what we got going on right now. So we're looking for a breakthrough of this trend line. If you could see here on 8:35 a.m., we got breakthrough on the 6th candle. That's great. That's exactly what we want to see. And then now we're looking for a retest. So once this, here we go. So now we're looking for it to come back up and retest at 126.23. And if we do get a retest or resistance at this price, then we're looking to jump into a put and continue to follow the momentum down. So we'll see. Still patience on this. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for checking me out. You guys have been hanging with me. Thanks for tuning back in on this journey. Yeah, so sometimes this get, whoa, man, look at that. That's beautiful. Now, that's great. That's great. And there's no panic from us on this at all. That's what I love about being disciplined with this pattern, because if this pattern does not happen, it's okay. We won't trade and we'll live another day. We won't have the fear of missing out just because we want to trade. And that's a huge mistake that I used to make a lot, and I still do. I think I've been better this year. Last year was the journey on learning this pattern. But you can always go back to the older videos if you could see my growth, man, because beginning I was all over the place and really didn't have a game plan. Okay, so we do have some upward momentum happening. And if this doesn't happen, guys, within the next probably 3 minutes of this video, I'll probably go ahead and shut it down, just the video. But if it does happen later on, then what I'll do is I'll post the results to the nightlight video. So it's the patience game on this. It's trying to make its way back up. Yeah, I had somebody reach out to me this morning and inform me that Irv Gotti passed away. I didn't do any research to look and find out if it was true. If that's true, man, I hope he rests in power, man. A great producer. In the early 2000s, Murder Inc., Ja Rule, Ashanti, they were killing it at the time, man. And he's 50. He was 54. If he did pass away, he's 54 years old. That's young, man. Too young. Okay, so we got some sideways trading going on right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, guys, just because I don't want to hold you guys up. And this is the patience, being disciplined, and knowing what you're looking for. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button. Support a brother, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you guys have a great day. And stay tuned, because I may post the results this evening. Have a good day. Take care.